Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on extracting or unzipping files on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To unzip a file, all you have to do is locate it in the File Explorer and then right-click on it. From the options here, click on Extract All. Click Extract to unzip the files right here, or click on Browse and select the folder you would like them to be saved in. This will unzip your files and allow you to access them. If you want to be able to do more with your zipped files, download the third-party tool called winrar. Now that winrar is installed, when I right-click on a zipped file, it shows more actions that can be performed on it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.